Hey guys, welcome to Blissful Rails. Today we are visiting Kovalam once again. You might remember we were there at the Ragamaya Resort and Spa last time. Today we have chosen a different kind of stay at the Rock Home at the Lighthouse Beach Hotel. What we are really hoping to find is the view of the ocean from the balcony of our room. That is the highlight of the room. That's why we have chosen the hotel. So let's see. So we have reached the place. This is the Rock Home at the Lighthouse Beach Hotel. This is the reception area. As you can see, the waves flashing right below our eyes, and this is the beauty of the resort, and that is exactly what we came here for. Now we are moving to our room. We have taken Superior Ocean View room. The rooms are similar to any other executive business hotels with all the necessary essentials. As you can see, rooms are very spacious, well maintained. Some decors are placed to add beauty to the room. Now we are entering to the balcony. This is the balcony and the view is just like as we expected. This is the best view in Kovalam. You can feel the freshness of the waves right from your rooms. To my right, there you can see the Kovalam Lighthouse. The view from here is great and worth more than anything. A perfect blend of luxury and serenity by the beach. This is the bathroom. As we expect from any other hotels, it is very clean and all the essentials are provided. Now we are heading to the restaurant for our lunch. The view from here is another breathtaking one. The restaurant is placed right on the top of these rocks, which is out in the ocean holding the waves for us. As we look out, we see the expansive ocean with the lighthouse on one side. So our lunch is here, a special mention for the chef here who prepared such delicious food for us. Everything we ordered was very nice. Seafood is a must try of here. So we had a very good lunch. This is the menu card. Those who like to know the price can go through it. Out of the room, they have placed nice art with various sculptures, paintings, and an opening underground. Now we are moving to the beach area. This is a common lawn and looks down upon a beach. Now we are at a lower height, more closer to the ocean, and on a beautiful garden, enjoying the beauty of the sea. This is the view from the restaurant at around 7 p.m. We had these french fries and squid rings as snacks, which were super tasty. For dinner, we tried this seafood platter, and I must say it was huge with big tiger prawns, fresh fish, and squids. And they added this Kerala porota with a spicy fish curry just to complete the dish. This is the sandwich which we ordered, but the platter was sufficient for two of us. This is the view from our balcony during night time. As you can see the lighthouse. Just sit, relax, do nothing, enjoy the view, eat nice food, and what else do we need? Now I welcome all to a fresh morning with this great view. Talking about the property, it consists of a garden, beach area, a common lawn. This property also owns an Ayurvedic spa and wellness center. This is a common balcony with a great view of the beach. This is the lift taking us to the beach. As you can see, all the plants laid out there. You can see a yoga center to my left. This way leads us to a yoga center. These are the Ayurvedic plants maintained by the hotel staffs. A special mention about the hospitality of the staff. They taken special care for anything we require. Those are all the jellyfishes washed out during the season. So we prefer avoiding entering into the beach. We preferred enjoying the view from the lawn. Again back to the rocks, the waves, the lighthouse, and the sounds of the waves and the expansive ocean right in front of us. Continental and buffet breakfast options are available every morning in the hotel. Now it's time for us to leave this property. Had a very fresh stay. Hope you enjoyed this video. Any doubts regarding this stay, do ask in comment section. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next week with another video. Till then, bye bye.